So, what's on your bucket list?
Me?
Yeah, everyone has a bucket list, right?
Well, sure, but, I mean, you're the one leaving Earth, and I'm not planning on dying anytime soon.
Oh, don't be so sure. Your best friend is a magnet for danger.
You're already anointing yourself as the bestie.
Mm-hmm.
A little presumptuous, but, I mean, what? No, I like you, of course, but, you know, we're not best friends.
You tucked me in last night. Fine. Best animal friend.
That would be my dog, Ozzy.
Okay, let's drop this increasingly humiliating topic of conversation. Bucket list. Give it to me.
Okay, there's one thing. In Green Hills, I've always felt, I don't know, more like a babysitter than a real cop, you know? So I want a chance to prove myself, under real pressure. I'm gonna move to San Francisco, become a street cop. And, I don't know, see if I have what it takes. What? Why is your face doing that?
You're leaving Green Hills?
Okay.
But why? Why would you leave Green Hills?
This may be hard for you to understand, but Green Hills is a small town. It's a very small town.
It's not small. There are hundreds of people.
That's a small town, dude.
It's a perfect town, and the people need you.
Please, I clean out their gutters. I jumpstart their cars in the winter. They could call anybody to do that.
Sure, they can call anybody, but they don't. They call you.
You calm down.
You come from a great town with great people, and by my count, 0 bad guys trying to kill you. Besides, what could possibly be more important than protecting the people you care about?
I can't.
Wrong about you. You're not the Donut Lord at all. You're more like the Jerk Lord.
Have you noticed the harpoon stuck in our dash? Sonic!
I was forced from my home. Your home is perfect and you're leaving it. Why would you do that?
Your body!
No, not again.
Hey, hold on!
Why?
I'm gonna do this.
Guess I had a bonus life. Oh yeah, baby. A Sonic 1, a Big Tank 0. I'm sorry. Did we get that on camera?
How are you not dead?
I have no idea. Do you see me dancing?
Yes, I saw you dance.
Is that all you got?
No, but thank you for asking.
Uh-oh.
Sonic, get back in the truck.
You go. I'll catch up. I think that tank just had a baby. Incoming!
It's my turn. Just have one, it's mine.
Hey, stop fighting or I'm taking that thing away.
You're right, Dad.
Just drive the car. I'll take care of this. And if I don't make it, just ditch me. You seem good at that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Today we're destroying robots. Step one. Yes, we did it! We did not do it. Who is this guy?
Ever wonder where your tax dollars are going?
My turn. Here, just keep us going straight. I put in cruise control.
I feel just like Vin Diesel. It's all about family, Tom. Quick suggestion, roll up into a ball and smash it with your body.
Whoa! But you don't have to try!
Here, in this truck. It's happening as we speak.
I can't reach it! Bring him in closer!
What?
Bring it in closer! Hit the brakes!
Oh, you mean this one?
The other brakes!
Aw, this one is cute. Let's keep him. Oh, come on! How can something so adorable be so terrible? You got car insurance, right? Buzz off. That doesn't sound good.
No, thinking is bad. Get rid of it.
I'm trying.
Throw it out the window. Throw it anywhere.
I can't get it off.
All right, I'm pulling over.
Did I get it?
No.
Ah!
Here, hold still.
It's going! It's going! It's still here. Get off me! Ha-ha! Nailed it!
Sonic! Hey, come on, you're all right. Wake up. Wake up.
Did we get them? Oh, no, there they are. They're real survivors, those two. Can we have a moment? Pin yourself to the wall.
You know, I won't miss you when you're gone. Human beings are unreliable and stupid, and I care very little about them. But my machines are diligent, relentless. They're everything to me.
What did I